We've all heard the old saying that holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. But what if I told you that this isn't just a metaphor, energetically and biologically? Every single time you generate a hateful, resentful thought towards someone else, you are actively burning up your own life force. If you find yourself unable to let go of the past, replaying old arguments and feeling a deep sense of injustice, you are dealing with a massive energy leak. Today, we are looking at the emotional body chart, and we are unpacking the ultimate frequency of energetic liberation, forgiving. In this episode, we will define what true forgiveness is and what it isn't. We will explore the dangerous reality of how your negative thoughts harm you first. I will also share exclusive insights from the CAT, the Collective Angelic Team, on the 4 specific blocks preventing you from letting go. Welcome back to the BodyMaitre podcast. I am Darreck. On this channel, we explore the deep energetic layers of the 4 bodies and use Pendulum Dowsing to help you identify invisible blocks. Let's dive in. In the BodyMaitre system, forgiving is not about letting someone off the hook. It is not about trusting them again. Forgiving is the active energetic process of untangling your emotional body from a toxic frequency. It is the frequency of release, detachment, and emotional sovereignty. Here is the most important thing you need to know. You must first forgive yourself for the harm you have caused your own 4 bodies. The universe operates on resonance. Every time you create a negative thought or feeling, even if it is directed at someone who wronged you, that frequency must pass through your mind, your emotions, and your body first. You are the host of the frequency. Your resentment is causing inflammation in your own cells before it ever reaches the other person. Forgiveness is simply the decision to stop actively harming yourself. Energetically, true forgiving feels like dropping a 100-pound backpack. It feels cooling, spacious, and incredibly light. You practice this not by calling up the person who hurt you, but by sitting quietly, choosing to pull your energy back into your own center and saying, I release this cord. I choose my own peace over my need to be right. So why is it so incredibly hard to just let it go? Because the ego loves to hold on to pain as a form of identity. When we consult the Collective Angelic Team, or the CAT, what are the common causes of block to forgiving in the collective consciousness? We find that a block to forgiving is anchored by deep collective programming. Number 1, in the emotional body, the unfair block. You cannot forgive because your emotional body is screaming, it isn't fair. The ego believes that if you forgive, you are agreeing that what happened was okay, so it holds on to the anger to demand justice. Number 2, in the mental body, attached to drama programming. Your ego mind has literally become addicted to the chaos. The dramatic story of how you were wronged gives you an excuse for why you aren't moving forward. Your mind prefers the familiar pain over the quiet unknown of peace. Number 3, in the physical body, unresolved anger. The anger isn't just in your head. It is trapped in your tissues and muscles. Your physical nervous system is locked in fight mode, making the physical act of relaxing feel impossible. Number 4, in the spiritual body, Sacral Chakra block. The Sacral Chakra governs our emotional flow and relationships. When you refuse to forgive, you dam up this river. Your spiritual energy gets stuck in the past, blocking all new creative joy. Let's look at 2 life examples. Example 1, mastering the frequency. Imagine an untethered creator. They experience betrayal, just like anyone else. But instead of letting it fester, they learn the lesson and quickly cut the energetic cord. Because they forgive fast, their sacral chakra remains wide open. They don't drag the ghosts of their past into their future relationships. All of their life force energy is available to build their future, rather than being used to guard a graveyard of past hurts. Example 2, blocking the frequency. Now imagine a resentful prisoner completely blocked by these energies. They were wronged a decade ago but still talk about it every day. They are attached to the drama and locked in the feeling of unfair. What is the result? They become a prisoner. Their physical body breaks down from unresolved anger. Their sacral chakra is blocked, so their life becomes stagnant. They project their old bitterness onto new people, drinking the poison every single day. Once these blocks are dismantled, the natural frequency of forgiveness flows through. You finally stop harming your own 4 bodies, and you take your power back. Remember, every negative thought you hold towards someone else is a fire that burns your own house first. By clearing the blocks to forgiveness, you aren't doing them a favor. you are saving yourself. Which of those 4 blocks is keeping you tethered to the past? Is it the feeling of unfairness or the attachment to drama? If you are ready to cut the cords and reclaim your energy, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, choose your own peace, protect your energy, and I'll see you in the next video.